मैं ठीक हो जाऊँगी।
यस, ठीक हो जाओगे। अभी बस खोल कर देख रहे हैं।
ये तक छुटा दो।
भिंडी बना लेते।
मेरा बाबू आ गया है।
बाबू? हाँ, आ गया है। आ गया है बाबू, आ गया है।
इलाहाबाद से आ रहा है।
वो नहीं मिल लेगा आपसे।
तुमने दो एक साथ ही पकड़ लिया है।
मैं सीधा
आते चलो, हटा दो। क्या है ये? क्यों बोल रही है? डॉक्टर हाँ हाँ हाँ, this is previous scar and it's a case of scar hematoma. The patient has undergone 2 DNCs, one in March and other one in July. So we are removing the previous scar and then we'll remove the clots. The collection that is occurred at the scar site. Here you can see the collection. This is the collection. We'll open the scar. Scar खोल दो पूरा ऐसे. This complication occurs normally during MTPs when it is not done in a proper condition and the technique is not correct. So during DNC what they do is they rupture the previous scar. The patient LSCS was done 2 years back. So now we have opened the scar and now we'll remove all these clots that have been there collected at the scar site. We are removing the bladder that has been adhered. All the adhesions we'll remove slowly. We'll remove the adhesions. Then we'll clear the scar site and we'll re-stitch the uterus again. So this is the lower segment. This is the scar where the LSCS was done and the collection. You can see the collection.
Section. Start.
ठीक है. We are suctioning the uterine cavity and the lower segment to remove clots, and now we are opening the cervical canal so that when next she has menses, it flows out nicely. This is how we are opening the cervical canal. We'll freshen the margins and then we'll close it. But we'll make sure that the patient does not conceive for at least for 1 year. Should we put Abgel inside? No. We didn't.
डाल दो प्लीज।
हाँ
मीठो
मीठो
डालना है।
हाँ यहाँ पे तो सही है, बस कलेक्शन यहीं पर था।
नहीं वो तो हो गया।
My assistant is asking should we keep meso inside, so it is not required because there is no collection inside the uterine cavity. Whatever was there at the scar site we have removed. Tissue is very friable, so you can see it cut through is happening. So we will not lock it. We'll put simple sutures. No interlocking. are freshening the margin.
मेरा बाबू आया है,
आ गया है।
बहुत रो रहा है।
कितना बड़ा है? 2 साल।
IAS की तैयारी करता है इलाहाबाद।
अभी
इलाहाबाद से आ रहा
वो आपका बेटा नहीं होगा ना?
भाई है मेरा।
अच्छा हाँ, भाई है।
मना क्यों मत आओ, फिर भी आओ।
आपका भाई छोटा है, आ रहा है, आ गया है ना?
20 साल का।
This is the box suture that we are taking because Cinto, sometimes Cinto also helps. Although there are no receptors, but still it helps in controlling the bleeding. So now you can see we have repaired it, removed the clots, and it's perfectly healthy. We'll put the uterus inside.
Yes.
Rahul is very happy.
I am so happy.
So even if, as you see, MTP is supposed to be a very common procedure which is done in every nook and corner of the country, but it leads to very serious complications if it is not done in a proper manner. So be careful whenever you are doing, in previous LSCs, whenever you are doing DNCs.
उनका कुछ करना है?
This is an incidental finding. We can see a hemorrhagic cyst in the ovary. So we'll remove this also because it lead. It might bleed later on. आया नहीं। हाँ, 10 units into IM. वहाँ नहीं आना बेटा, come here. Sit still.
आइटम नंबर 1 है।
कर दो। यहाँ section कर दो।
OTR हो गया।
क्या चीज़? क्या क्या हो गया आपको?
OTR हो गया।
एब्जन।
मेरा फॉर्म में डालना है।
बहुत ही कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सर्जरी
है लो लो। ठीक कर रहा है, ठीक कर रहा है, ठीक कर रहा है, ठीक कर रहा है, ये देखो। हटा दो। Now we are going to check for the hemostasis, and now we'll put a drain 28 number or 32 number, and then we'll close.